These are the questions about the parallel lines and the transversal line from the book STP Mathematics 3A. Before we go to solve these questions, we should know about what are the transversal lines. If we have two parallel lines, L1 and L2, if one line intersect these two lines, this line is called transversal line, which make different angles on these two lines. What the angles are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In these angles, these two angles, angle 1, angle 5, called the corresponding angles. If you observe, except 1 and 5, how many they are corresponding angles? 2, 6, 3, 7, angle 3, angle 7, 4 and 8. So all these four angles are the corresponding angles. Means that they have the same angles. If this angle is 30, angle 5 must be 30. If angle 2 is 150, angle 6 must be 150. So corresponding angles means they are equal in the same. Now we have another property for the parallel line, the transversal line, which is 1 alternate angles, or you can say alternate interior angle. Why they are called interior angles? Because they are between the two parallel lines. So 3, 4, 5, 6 are the interior angles. What does it mean alternate? Means, let's suppose if we have the angles 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these opposite angles are the alternate angles. So 3 angle equal angle 6, 4 equal 5. And these are supplementary angles, interior supplementary angles or supplementary angles, because these two angles add up to give us 180. So angle 3 plus angle 5 give you 180 degree. And same angle 4 plus 6 give you 180 degree. 1 and 4 all called the vertical opposite angles. Angle 1 equal angle 4. They are called vertically opposite angles. So this is called the supplementary angle. Vertically opposite angles. How many vertically opposite angles? 2 vertical, 3. 5 with 8, 6 with 7. So this is the basics properties for the parallel lines and the transversal line. Now we will see about the question number 1, page 164 from STP Mathematics 3A. we need to find angle X. If we observe, we are given the triangle ABCED. So if you see this line parallel to this line, so according to this, in a triangle, we know in a total angles in a triangle add up to 180. So angle A, if we need angle A, it must be equal 180 minus, add up these two angles. When you add these two angles, it becomes 110. So it becomes 70. So this is 70. Now if these two lines are parallel lines, so it means they are according to alternate angles, 3, 4. If you observe, if you extend this line, so alternate angles. So X equal 70. In question number 2, again if you look at here, these two lines are parallel. This parallel to this. So PLQ parallel to MN. So we need to find angle X. Again, if you look at here, if you extend this line, so this line parallel to this line, and this is the transversal line. Again, if you look at these two angles, they gain based on the property of alternate angles. They are equal. 4 with 5, 3 with 6. So here the answer would be 110. Question number 3. Again we are given these two parallel lines. According to these two parallel lines, this is the transversal line. We need to find the angle X. Either you can go for the straight angle line. So on a straight line, angles add up to 180. So if we take these two angles, so 180 minus 120, it would be 60. When we add these two angles, it becomes 180 with the property of the straight line angle. Now if they are 180 now according to again the transversal line rule, so these two angles, alternate angles, are equal. Angle 3 equal angle 6. So this would be 60, and it means the alternate angles are equal. It is 60.